In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your Smartsheet data into a working app with AppSheet. If you've ever wanted to bring your spreadsheets to life, you're in the right place. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to connect your Smartsheet data, set up the core of your app in AppSheet, and view your information in a clean, interactive interface. I'll guide you step by step, and you can pause or rewind anytime to follow along at your own pace. First, make sure your data is ready in Smartsheet. Think of Smartsheet as the blueprint for what your app will display. A structured table with clear column headers, like a project tracker or an inventory list, works best. You don't need to change anything fancy, just ensure the information you want in the app is organized and up to date. Next, head over to the AppSheet website. AppSheet is Google's no-code platform that builds apps directly from your data. Look for the option to create a new app. If you haven't connected Smartsheet before, you'll be prompted to sign in and grant permissions. This simply lets AppSheet read your Smartsheet files so it can build the app. Your data remains in your control and stays secure. Once connected, you'll land on the AppSheet dashboard. Click the Create button near the top and choose App. When asked how you want to start, select the option to begin with existing data. This tells AppSheet to use your Smartsheet content instead of starting with a blank app. Give your app a clear name that reflects its purpose, something like Team Project Tracker or Inventory Manager. A descriptive name makes it easier to find later and gives it a professional touch. Then select a category that best fits what you're building: productivity, finance, or tracking. So AppSheet can tailor a few setup defaults to your use case. Now choose your data source. Select Smartsheet from your available connections, pick the Smartsheet file that holds your information, and then select the specific sheet within that file that you want the app to use. Confirm your selection. AppSheet will now generate your app automatically. It analyzes your data, sets up tables, and builds an initial user interface. If you see a loading screen, that's normal. Larger datasets can take a moment. When it's ready, you'll see your Smartsheet data presented as a working interactive app that you can click through and explore. From here, you can customize and refine the app, but we'll save those details for another video. If this tutorial helped, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and good luck building your app.